colors also there, रंगों के नाम also there, okay?
Yes, ma'am, studied.
O की मात्रा, au, मात्रा. After we can study colors. Today we are going to study रंगों के नाम. We can revise that, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So last day we completed I की मात्रा. Everybody study.
Matra words.
I will
Yes,
ask.
ma'am.
Can I ask questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Tiva studied I की मात्रा words. Unmute. Tiva.
Yes, ma'am.
Which all words we learned? I की मात्रा word. Brother हिंदी word क्या है टिवा? Brother. Brother का हिंदी word क्या है? Brother. Tiva, did you write and study it part time? Yes or no?
Yes.
क्या है brother हिंदी word? Brother. What is the word for ox? Ox.
Bile.
Very good. Bile. Mother हिंदी word क्या है? Mother. Mother.
Mile.
मैया. कौन है mother? मैया.
Maya.
Bag हिंदी word bag.
What?
Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Arfin, can you say? Tiva, listen. Arfin, bag हिंदी word क्या है?
Bile.
Bag.
Daila.
Daila. Listen, okay. Bag means daila. Bile. Who is bile? किसको bile कहते हैं हम? Ox. Bile. Okay. Ox. Daila, bag, bile, ox. Or what is the word for I?
Naina.
Very good. Naina. Tiva, did you hear?
Yes.
That means क्या है? Daila. Brother हिंदी word क्या है अर्पिन? Brother.
Bye.
भाई भी कहते हैं भैया. अब हम आई की मात्रा से भैया पढ़ा. भैया.
Yeah.
भाई ब्रदर है. But we learn आई की मात्रा words भैया, मैया, धाइला. फूट हिंदी word. फूट. क्या है जनीता फूट का हिंदी word?
Vampire.
Fire. Fire. Okay.
Yes.
Last day we studied. Then why you don't get
Yes.
these all words?
Yes.
रंगों के नाम याद है ना आपको? रंग.
Ma'am,
Red हिंदी में
लाल.
क्या है जनीता? Red.
Dal.
Green.
Hara.
Orange. Now you have doubt संतरा है या नारंगी?
Yes.
Which word we learn? Colors name नारंगी हमने पढ़ा. Okay, अंकी
Yes.
मात्रा में संतरा,
सफेद.
orange, सफेद, white. ये सब हमने पढ़ा. सफेद,
बैंगनी,
जामुनी, जामुनी,
नीला, पीला,
पीला,
भूरा,
भूरा,
काला.
Okay, okay, okay. Very good. You studied. Okay. तो फेलिक्स बताओ. ब्लैक का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? ब्लैक. क्या कहेंगे हम हिंदी में? ब्लैक. काला. व्हाइट. व्हाइट.
सफेद.
सफेद. येलो.
पीला.
पिंक. पिंक.
गुलाबी.
गुलाबी. Okay. What is the word violet? Violet. जरा बताओ वायलेट हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? वायलेट.
बैंगनी.
बैंगनी. ओके. ब्राउन हिंदी वर्ड?
भूरा.
भूरा. पर्पल.
जामुनी.
जामुनी. ओके. What is the word of blue? Blue हिंदी. नीला.
नीला.
अवंतिका बताओ येलो हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? येलो.
पीला.
पीला. ग्रीन.
हरा.
ऑरेंज.
नारंगी.
पिंक.
गुलाबी.
Okay. You know the word once again we can revise these all words, children. Okay. We are
Ma'am.
going to revise today colors name. I will make you write it 3 times, all the words. Okay. After I will take a small test. Okay. So can we start? All should take your book. You can write it 3 times. Okay. Listen the spelling and write. Okay.
Okay.
Now also somehow doubt bile is ox or dila is ox. The same problem will happen when I will give the options, MCQ options. Okay. Each questions you will get option, but you have to find the correct answer. The spelling is very, very important. You have to study the spelling. Okay. So first we are going to write lal. You know that lal means kya hai?
Red.
Write it lal red. 3 times.
Red. Lal.
Read, listen the spelling. La plus a plus la. You should, like you can read the spelling. Okay? You learn all the matra. La, a, l. Lal.
Red.
Lal, red. The next one is
Neela.
Neela. You should read. Na, badi ki matra. La, a ki matra. Blue.
Neela. Blue.
Neela, blue.
Blue.
Neela, blue.
Neela.
ना के साथ बड़ी की मात्रा, ला के साथ आ की मात्रा, पा के साथ बड़ी की मात्रा, ला के साथ आ की मात्रा, तो क्या बना? पीला, येलो, पीला, येलो, येलो, पीला. All should read and write पीला, yellow.
Pila. Yellow.
Pila, yellow.
Yellow. Pila.
Yellow. Pila, yellow.
Pila.
का आखी मात्रा, ला आखी मात्रा, काला, काला कौवा, काली कोयल, क्या है ये? ब्लैक.
Black.
लाल टमाटर, नीला आसमान, पीला केला, पीला होता है, काला, काला ब्लैक, काले बादल, काला, काला कौवा, काली कोयल, काला ब्लैक, काला ब्लैक,
Black.
काला ब्लैक, काला ब्लैक.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Finished.
Wait. The next word is, देखो हा, हा के साथ कोई मात्रा नहीं है, रा के साथ आ जोड़ा है, हरा, क्या है हरा? ग्रीन, हरी घास, हरा, 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 ग्रीन, हरा ग्रीन, हरी बरी, हरा पत्ता, हरा ग्रीन, हरा ग्रीन, लाल, नीला, नीला, काला, हरा. और the next word is, अब ये देखो, ये स्पेलिंग ध्यान से देखकर लिखो, सफेद, फा प्लस ए और द, सफेद. सफेद मीन्स व्हाइट. ओके, कौन सा कलर है? सफेद, व्हाइट, सफेद व्हाइट, सफेद व्हाइट, सफेद व्हाइट.
White. सफेद
सफेद white.
सफेद वाइट
लाल नीला पीला काला हरा सफेद सा हा एक ही मात्रा ध सफेद सफेद
सफेद
ना आ की मात्रा रा पे अंक की मात्रा गा और बड़ी ई की मात्रा नारंगी नारंगी ऑरेंज
ऑरेंज
ऑरेंज नारंगी
ऑरेंज
ऑरेंज
नारंगी
ऑरेंज नारंगी ऑरेंज
नारंगी
नारंगी ऑरेंज
ऑरेंज
नारंगी ऑरेंज
nothing
नारंगी ऑरेंज नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज गुलाब गा छोटे उ की मात्रा ला आ की मात्रा बा बी गुलाबी गुलाबी पिंक गुलाबी मीन्स क्या है पिंक गुलाब मीन्स रोज गुलाबी आ पिंक पिंक गुलाबी गुलाबी पिंक
गुलाबी पिंक
नारंगी और गुलाबी पिंक
गुलाबी पिंक गुलाबी पिंक
गुलाबी पिंक गुलाबी पिंक the next word is जामुनी जा आ की मात्रा मा छोटे उ की मात्रा ना बड़ी की मात्रा जामुनी जामुनी मीन्स पर्पल
पर्पल
पर्पल जामुनी पर्पल जामुनी पर्पल जामुनी पर्पल पर्पल जामुनी पर्पल okay the next one is बैंगनी क्या है भा आय और अंक की मात्रा भी है ग ना के साथ बड़ी ई की मात्रा बैंगनी बैंगनी मीन्स
वायलेट
वायलेट वायलेट बैंगनी बैंगनी वायलेट Riza, are you writing? बैंगनी violet. One more color is there. Which is that we learn?
भूरा
भूरा, भूरा रंग मीन्स कौन सा है?
Brown.
भूरा। बा, बड़े ऊ की मात्रा, रा के साथ आ की मात्रा, ब्राउन।
Brown.
ब्राउन, ब्राउन। भूरा, ब्राउन। अंगों के नाम कंप्लीटेड। ओके, लाल, नीला, पीला, काला, हरा, सफेद, नारंगी, गुलाबी, जामुनी, बैंगनी, भूरा।
Brown. Brown. Brown.
Suhana, finish. Suhana, can you read this? Please read the colors name.
Lal, red, neela, blue, peela, yellow, kala, black, hara, green, safed, white, narangi, orange, gulabi, pink,
Jamuni,
jamuni, purple,
बैंगनी,
violet, bluja, brown.
Okay, very good. Now Sarah, Sarah, can you read Sarah?
Lal, red, neela, blue,
क्या है? ला, पीला,
peela, yellow, kal,
काला,
kala, black,
काला, ब्लैक, हरा,
kala, green, safed, white, namuni, orange,
जामुनी is orange. Who told the jamuni orange? It is नारंगी. कौन सा
narangi, orange,
गुलाबी,
gulabi, pink, jamuni, purple, begani, violet, bluja, brown.
Serpina, read.
Lal, red, neela, blue, peela, yellow, kala, black, hara, green, safed, white, narangi, orange, gulabi, pink, jamuni, purple,
बैंगनी, बैंगनी,
begani, violet.
Okay, violet. Last one.
Bura, brown.
Bura, brown. Okay. Agnes Wilson, unmute and read. Read the Hindi word. Only read a Hindi word. Okay.
Lal, neela, peela, kala, hara, safed, narangi, gulabi, jamuni, बैंगनी, bura.
Can you read the next word? Maya.
Paya, baila,
Baila.
bail, baya, pile, naina.
Okay. Anna Mary, read. Anna, read.
Ma'am, lal red, lila blue, pila yellow, kala black, hara green, सफेद white, नारंगी orange,
Next one.
गुलाबी pink, जामुनी purple,
Purple.
बैंगनी violet, भूरा brown,
ऐकी मात्रा वेट पढ़ो मैया
भैया नैना
मैया दैला बैल भैया फायर नैना okay Harika read all the Hindi words
लाल रेड नीला लाल नीला पीला काला
हरा
गुलाबी जामुनी बैंगनी भूरा मैया थैला
भैया भैया फायर नैना okay that all you studied and last day I make you to write this also did you remember that this we completed nay no now completed
yes completed
okay like that also you have to study okay so we completed our revision today and now I am going to give some questions please open your rough book take a new page okay take a new page I will write some questions here okay you should I will give options also you should write the question and from the option find the correct answer and write okay that only you have to write question number 1 the word is pink I will give 3 options find the correct spelling okay you have to listen read the word and find the correct word okay check the correct answer and write question number 2 white find the correct word listen the spelling and choose the correct word for white spelling you have to purple write the Hindi word of purple correct word fourth one write the Hindi word of correct word of brother check the answer and write and fill it with the correct answer Sixth question. You have to find the Hindi word of green. Eighth one is write the Hindi word of yellow. Eighth question is there. Complete it. Write the Hindi word of green. I. Eighth one is yellow. Seventh one is I. Other one, write the word pink. Hindi word क्या है? Choose the correct spelling. Okay. Choose the correct spelling and write. Spelling, you have to check and find the correct spelling.
Jamuni.
Completed? Why this all cameras are off? Children, please turn on your camera. Video should be on. Thiva, Emmanuel, Andrina, Risa, these all videos are off. What happened? Try to on. Let me see you are writing or not. Exam time you cannot off your videos, okay? It should be on. Thiva? Completed, Thiva? No. Okay, complete. Do. Two more minutes. Children, please complete. Thiva completed? Yes. No. Then do.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Okay, those who finish, please wait.
Ma'am, I finish.
Finish. Okay, those who finish, please be quiet. Heaven, completed. Heaven Joss, completed. Completed. Okay. One more minute. After that, all should keep your pencil down after completing. Okay. We can read the answer after that. Are fins finished? Okay. Riza, please complete this green Hindi word, I Hindi word, yellow Hindi word. Other all options I given. Find it and write. Okay. Riza, the option number 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 options are there. Please stop writing. Completed, everyone?
Yes.
Some are writing now also. Kiva, complete it fast. Do. Complete it and keep your pencil down. लिखने के बाद सब अपने पेंसिल नीचे रखो और इधर देखो. Listen. Okay. Riza.
Ma'am.
Say. The first one is, question is pink. Which is the correct answer for that?
Gulabi.
Option 1, 2, 3. Which is the correct option? Say number 3.
3.
Okay, very good. Gulabi. The other one is gulabi. Gulabi. That 2 are wrong. The last, third one is correct. Gulabi. Those who write that, please give a tick mark. Okay. Gulabi. Those who selected option 3, that answer is correct. Question number 2. Nora, white. What is the word white? Which is the correct word?
Safed.
Option 1, 2, 3. Which one?
B. B.
Option B. Safed. 2. Okay.
Safed.
Correct, no? Safed. Another one is safo. Okay, matra. Other one is safed. Both are wrong. Sa and fo. That both are wrong. Safed is correct. Second answer. Okay. The third one is Andrina. Can you say the answer? Purple. Which is the correct answer? First, second, third. Which one? Andrina, what is the word for purple? Andrina, why you are muted? Unmute. Which is the correct answer, Andrina? No answer. No answer. Pranav, Vishnu, batao. Pranav, batao. Purple. Which is the correct answer? Jaldi batao. Purple. Which is the correct one?
First one.
First one. Very good. Jamuni. Okay. Jamuni. Jamuni. Not Jamuni. It is Jamuni. It is Jamuni. It is another word. Okay. This is the correct answer. First one. Fourth one. What is the word of brother? Emmanuel, batao. Brother. Which is the correct one? Which option? Third one. Which is the correct one? Third, no. Bhaiya. Third option. Okay. Bhaiya. Question number 5. Niharika, unmute and say dash gani. Option 1, 2, 3. Which is the correct one?
Bengani.
Bengani. Which option is correct? First, second, third. Which one?
Second.
Okay, we can write here Bangani. Bangani. Okay, very good. Bangani. What is the Hindi word of green? Green का हिंदी word क्या है?
Hara.
What is the Hindi word? Green? Hara.
Hara.
I Hindi word. I. कैसे लिखेंगे I Hindi word?
Naina.
Na. I की मात्रा na plus a. Naina.
Naina.
Yellow. क्या है yellow हिंदी में?
Nila.
नीला. Check the spelling. Is it correct? Please tick it. Okay. Gulabi, सफेद जामुनी, भैया, बैंगनी, हरा, नैना, पीला. 8 questions. Count your mark. Write it. Those who get 8 out of 8, find it and write.
Get 8 of 8.
I will ask. Okay. Okay, children. I think everybody completed your correction. Okay. Raise your hand, those who get full mark. Please raise your hand. Avantika, Anamika, Janita, Roshit, Felix, Dia, Aryan, Pranav, Suhana, Sarah. What, Sarah?
Nora.
Wait, Sarah. Did not get the mark, full mark. Do you? Did you get full mark?
No, one wrong.
One wrong. Okay. Agnes, Nora, Heaven, Neharika, Risa, Anna Mary, Parvana, Arfin. Okay, these all students get good mark, full mark. Keep it up. Very good. Those who are studying the spelling, they will get full mark. Others, please listen. Okay, those who got one wrong, no problem. Try to study the spelling. Okay. MCQ will be there on Tuesday. You should study again which spelling you have doubt. Please clear that. Write and study again. Okay. Which all chapter we have for exam? MCQ exam?
I, O, Au, Ang.
I, O, and Rangong ke naam. Okay. Any spelling you have any doubt, please write it again and again. Study that. Okay. All should prepare for your exam. So all the best, children. Okay, we will meet in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.